In this video, I will explain about quantum confinement. So, quantum confinement, what is it? It is one of the fundamental effect that appears in nanomaterials So why this is happening means, as free electrons are confined in nanomaterial, due to size reduction. So for a bulk material, there will be more volume, so free electrons can move around the total volume. Whereas here in nanomaterials, as they are small in size, the free electrons are confined. So we have quantum confinement. So quantum confinement is a size effect in quantum system. So we have to understand that every nanomaterial is a quantum system. So quantum, therefore any quantum effect like size effect is going to play a vital role in affecting the properties of nanomaterial. So the free electrons in bulk material have large volume to move around. So here in this bulk material, as there is large volume, the free electrons can move around throughout the volume. So the free electrons are not confined in the bulk material. Whereas in nanomaterials, because of size reduction, there is less volume to move around for free electrons move around. Hence, free electrons in nanomaterials are confined. So at what size does quantum effects shows up? Means at what size of particle the quantum effect shows up? Quantum effects starts to dominate when size of the grain is comparable to de Broglie wavelength of electron revolving in an orbit of a free electron. So here wavelength of the moving electron. That is size at least in one dimension. So this has to be is equal to de Broglie wavelength. In this then quantum effects starts to show up. So because of quantum confinement, energy levels becomes discrete. See, for bulk material, energy levels are continuous, that is both conduction and valence band are continuous, but here energy levels become discrete. And the band gap of the material increases. So here for the continuous conduction band, valence band we have, this is for bulk material. So for nanomaterial it will be like this. We have discrete. Here bands are continuous, but here energy levels are discrete, and also the band gap increases. Here. So if the size of the material is very small, then these energy levels will be more discrete. So here band gap Eg has increased as the size of uh, grains reduces, band gap increases. So here compared to this band gap, this is higher, Eg1, Eg2. Eg2 is greater than Eg1. So if we still reduce the size of grains, then we may get like this, more discrete, and band gap will be more increase. Okay. Here Eg3. So quantum confinement is very important factor in semiconducting materials. So if we synthesize semiconducting materials, semiconducting materials to the size of nanometer, then we call these nanoparticles as quantum dots. So here quantum dots has lots of applications in electronics. As there are variations in band gap, so electrical, optical properties optical properties of the material get affected drastically. Okay, thank you. For more videos related to physics and nanotechnology, please subscribe. Thank you.